Life presents challenges that can sometimes feel insurmountable, leaving individuals feeling lost and overwhelmed. In these moments of hardship, it is crucial to remember that a greater purpose exists beyond the struggle. Embracing faith can illuminate pathways through the darkest times, providing hope and encouragement when it seems scarce. The journey of struggle can often lead to profound growth and understanding. Each setback brings with it an opportunity to learn resilience, patience, and compassion. These qualities are not just traits we develop. They become a part of our essence, shaping how we view ourselves and the world around us. In the tumult of life, let the lessons learned be a treasure, guiding you toward personal transformation. Engaging with spiritual practices can serve as a powerful source of motivation and strength. Prayer, meditation, or reading inspirational texts can cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity. These practices foster a connection with the divine, reminding us that we are never truly alone in our struggles. Surrendering our fears and worries to a higher power invites tranquility into our hearts, empowering us to face each day with renewed vigor. Surrounding oneself with a supportive community can also significantly impact one's journey through struggle. Sharing experiences and connecting with others fosters a sense of belonging and understanding. Community can act as a reminder that we are not isolated in our battles. There is strength in numbers, and together we can uplift and motivate one another. Ultimately, the trials we face can be stepping stones to discovering our true selves. Rather than viewing struggles simply as obstacles, they can be seen as catalysts for deeper faith and understanding. Embracing these challenges with an open heart invites the possibility of transformation. Let your struggles refine you rather than define you, guiding you toward a life filled with purpose and passion. In conclusion, remembrance of faith during challenging times can light the way forward. Each individual possesses an innate strength to rise above adversity, and by placing trust in a higher power, one can find enduring motivation. Life's struggles are not the end. They are part of a beautiful unfolding story, leading us to greater heights. Embrace each challenge with confidence, knowing that there is always a path to a brighter tomorrow. Feeling tired and broken can weigh heavily on your spirit, casting shadows over your hopes and dreams. It's easy to succumb to despair when life seems relentless in its challenges. But remember, it is within these moments of weakness that the seeds of strength are sown. This is not where your story ends. This is simply the crucible where your true self will emerge stronger and bolder. Step back, wipe away those tears, and take a moment to inhale deeply. Each breath is a reminder that you are alive, that you still have the power to change your narrative. Put on the armor of resilience and get ready to fight. It's not about being average or settling for what life throws your way. It's about igniting the passion that lies dormant inside you. A warrior's spirit is forged in adversity. Embrace your battle, for you were chosen for greatness. With every challenge life throws at you, you have two choices: stay defeated or rise up. The path of bravery is not the absence of fear. It's the action that follows despite it. Let your determination surmount your pain, while you rise above the haunting echoes of your past. Those who find the strength to rise are not merely lucky. They have chosen to focus their energy on the dream they envision. They believe fiercely in themselves, even if the world tries to cloud their vision. Success isn't simply handed over. It's earned with blood, sweat, and relentless perseverance. Each day approach life as if it could be your last. Train with the ferocity of a beast, work with the resolve of a lion, and pray with the unwavering faith of a believer. Know that the universe hears your cries and sees your struggles. You are being prepared for something monumental, but you must keep pushing, even when the weight feels insurmountable. Don't lose sight of your ultimate goal. Transformation is within reach. One more effort, one more fiery step forward may be all that stands between you and your dream. Rise and let the world witness your metamorphosis. You are not weak, nor are you finished. In fact, you are merely embarking on a grand adventure, one that is waiting for your indomitable spirit to ignite it. So stand tall, regroup, and show this world what you are truly made of. If you believe in God, comment, amen, and subscribe my channel.